Let us get to know the role of pancreas in digestion. Pancreas lies outside the alimentary tract and it is an accessory gland of digestion, as we already talked about. It is a pale yellowish grey gland situated in the abdominal cavity. As you can see in this picture, it consists of broad head which lies in the curve of duodenum, a body which lies behind the body of the stomach, and a narrow tail which lies left to the kidney. The secretory portion consists of a number of lobules. Lobules are made up of alveoli lined with secretory cells. Each lobule has a small duct. This duct unites with other ducts and joins the main pancreatic duct, which passes the whole length of the gland to open into duodenum. Just before entering the duodenum, the pancreatic duct joins the bile duct to form ampulla of the bile duct. The pancreas has two functions, endocrine and exocrine. The endocrine function is to produce chemicals or hormones that regulate blood sugar, such as insulin. The exocrine function is to produce enzymes that help to digest the food. Pancreatic amylase breaks down carbohydrate and starch into glucose. Proteases break down protein into amino acids. Lipase break down fat. To reach the gastrointestinal tract, the digestive enzymes travel through the pancreatic ducts and they are released into the duodenum at the major papillae, also known as the ampulla of Vater. Once they are completely out of pancreas, the protective layer is removed and the enzymes become active. Bile from the gallbladder also enter the duodenum at the major papillae. Bile breaks out the fat into a smaller fat droplets which are easier for lipase to digest. Next we will see about the composition of pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is the secretion of the exocrine part of the pancreas. It is alkaline in reaction. Its pH is 8.0 to 8.3. It consists of water, mineral salts such as high bicarbonate, salts of sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium and zinc, and enzymes like trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, pro-carboxypeptidase, pancreatic lipase and pancreatic amylase, etc. Let us look into the functions of pancreas. Neutralizing action. Pancreatic juice is alkaline in nature and acid chyme is rendered alkaline by the strong alkalinity of the pancreatic juice. This alteration of reaction is important for an effective action of pancreatic secretion. Digestive action. Trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen are the inactive proteolytic enzymes of the pancreatic juice. When they come in contact with enterogenase of the intestinal juice, they are converted to trypsin and chymotrypsin respectively, as illustrated herewith. Trypsin and chymotrypsin act on partially digested proteins. This means they convert peptones into peptides and polypeptides. Let us see the role of hormones that produced by the pancreas in the digestion process. Secretin and cholecystokinin are the hormones that involved in the digestion process. Role of secretin. Secretin is a polypeptide. Role of secretin. Secretin is a polypeptide containing 27 amino acids. It is present in the mucosa of the upper small intestine in an inactive form, prosecretin. When food mixed with hydrochloric acid enters the duodenum, secretin is released from prosecretin. Pancreatic juice containing large quantity of sodium bicarbonate is helpful to neutralize the acid content of substances emptied into the duodenum from the stomach. The reaction is as follows. Carbonic acid dissociates into water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is absorbed into the body fluids. A neutral solution of sodium chloride is left. The presence of food in the upper small intestine also causes another hormone, cholecystokinin pancreozymin, to be released. It is a polypeptide containing 33 amino acids secreted from the intestinal mucosa. Presence of peptones, fats and also acids in the small intestine are stimuli for the cholecystokinin pancreozymin secretion. Cholecystokinin pancreozymin acts on pancreas via blood. It causes secretion of large quantity of digestive enzymes.